You know, I love staying in a van because as soon as you stop, you're camping. Whether you put your awning out or whether you put lawn chairs out, it's up to you and in your situation. But I love just going and just stopping anywhere. So my two favorite nights, one time we were going from some Silverton down to Durango in Colorado. And it's what they call the $1 Million Highway. So you're going along this and you're going 15, 20 miles an hour for about 30, 40 miles. And it's just beautiful if you can take your eyes off the road. But we got down to an opening, a valley, and we thought, well, this is a great place to stay. And so we pulled off the road about 100 yards and it started raining. So we put the awning out and we built a little campfire. And it was the best night ever because it was just, there was a light rain. We woke up in the morning, nobody around. And that was beautiful. And that's kind of what you think about on van life. But my second favorite night was, I was going east. I left late at night because in van life, you don't really have to plan that much. And I got tired. I decided to stop, and I stopped at a Love's, which is a truck stop, basically, a fancy truck stop. And that was a great night because there was nobody in the parking lot. And I just stayed there all night long. You could hear the purring of the semi-trucks. And the best thing was you wake up in the morning, there are a few more cars, but you wake up in the morning and you can use their bathroom. You can use, buy their coffee, their donuts, and you're just on your way. Those are the two best nights I've ever spent. And they're both ends of the spectrum, but that's what you get to do in van life.